Oh my god. The snake's attacking. It's eating the lion. Oh no. It's attacking again. The snake's got the lion again. It's swallowing it whole this time.
In this video, a giant python and a lion are fighting deep in the jungle. In the end, we see how the rescue team saves them both.
Oh my god. My god. Look down there, it's the lion and the giant.
The snake's trapped.
Hold it steady.
Hold it steady. The giant snake is secure. We are taking it out.
Look, the lion is being treated now.
The giant snake has been released safely. It's returning to its habitat.
And now, look, they're being separated. Yes, the rescue team has done it.